Hello everyone, and welcome again to a new lesson of Microsoft Excel powered by Smallhead Big Wisdom. Today we are going to talk about some basic calculation with a practical exercise. As you can see, I have entered some employee information such as first name, last name, wage per hour, hours worked per day, days worked per week, weekly gross income, deduction, weekly net income. So this is static information, so I have already populated. So now I'm gonna calculate the weekly gross income. So for the first employee, Peter Graves, his wage per hour is $15. He worked in that week per day 8 hours, and in total 5 days per week. So I'm gonna start by using the equal sign and multiply 15. So click on 15 and Excel put the cell name C2 times 8. So look at the formula is being created, times the asterisk means multiply the days work per week. So here is the formula. When I hit enter or click here the check mark, Excel calculates that value. So as you can see in the formula bar, it says C2 15 multiply D2 8 E2 5 in total, so it gives the total here. So for the next one, I can do the same. 18 times 10 times 6. I'm gonna do it one by one, and then I will show you how to do faster. 4 equal, all formulas must start with equal. 45 times 7 times 5. So this is the total. But there is a faster way, so you just click on the cell that you want to copy and want to copy the formula and put the cursor here. When you see the black plus sign, you just hold left click and drag and drop. So that is calculated automatically. Okay, so now for the deduction 4%. So similarly, I start with equal 600 times 4%. And I can continue doing manually, but we already learned a faster way. Just I can also do copy, highlight whatever I need and paste, and hit enter escape. Or you can use what we just learned, just drag and drop. So this is for the deduction one. Now for the weekly net income, so it's a subtraction, just equal the weekly gross income minus 24, in this case G2 column G row 2. So this is the formula. I hit enter and Excel calculates the total. Again, I can copy the formula for the rest of the records. So you can see here the formula is F3 minus G3. F3 minus G3. Okay, so now I'm gonna give a little bit formatting. For instance, Alt, the key Alt, and Enter, just to move the line on the cell. Alt Enter, just to split the line. So here Alt Enter, just to make it a little bit suitable for I'll enter here, I'll enter, and here I'm gonna do here net. So as you can see, so now I'm gonna change the column width, highlight everything by clicking here and double click, and automatically it's adjusted. Let's assign borders, highlight, and here borders, all borders. So now I want to change the color of the headings. For instance, I want to give this and the font white so the contrast can be noticed easily. Now I'm gonna center this one. You can see it's much prettier. So now let's calculate the weekly subtotal. So just equal, and here auto sum, click or double click, and that's it. It calculates automatically from H2 to H5. It means it's gonna sum all these values. And I can put another color just to highlight it, and borders, highlight, and borders. Okay, so in another video I'm gonna show how to use more efficient ways to calculate and to add some other values. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon at Small Head Big Wisdom.